Hello, good viewers. You are highly welcome. In today's tutorial, we have this exponential equation 3 to power x plus 1 over 3 to power x equals 9 whole number 1 over 9. What's the value of x? So what are you going to do? First of all, let y equals 3 to the power of x. So now in this equation, anywhere we see 3 to the power of x, let's replace it by y. So here we're going to have y plus 1 over y equals. Now here, this is mixed number. Let's try to write it in improper fraction. So 9 times 9, 81 plus 1, that will be 82 over 9. I follow. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is that we want to make this equation a linear form. So now to do that, we are going to multiply this equation by the LCM. The LCM is 9y. That is, we're going to have 9y multiplying y plus 9y multiplying 1 over y, then 82 over 9 multiplying 9y. So here we're going to have 9y squared plus y, we cancel y here, we have 9, equals 9, we cancel 9 here, we have 82y. Right, so from there, this is coming down here, so that is transposing. We're going to have 9y squared minus 82y, then plus 9 equals 0. So we have this equation, and this equation is quadratic equation in terms of what? In terms of k, or in terms of y, sorry. So now from there, so now here we can rewrite this as 9y squared. Now here we can rewrite this 82 as now 82y. We can have it as 81 plus 1. 81 plus 1 y plus 9 equals 0. So now from here we have 9y squared minus 81 times this, we're going to have minus 81y. Then this is going to be minus y, then plus 9 equals 0. So when you try to expand this is what you're going to have. So now let's try to group this into 2. So here we look at the common factors. So now here we have 9y to be common factor, we have 9y. So 9y, right, into bracket here, 9y squared divided by 9y, we're going to be having y minus 81y divided by 9y. That's going to give us, we're going to have 9, right, minus, so the common factor we have between y and 9 is 1. Bring it out and we have y, then minus 9 equals 0. So now from here, y minus 9 is common, bring it out, y minus 9, right, into bracket. Now everything here divided by y minus 9, we're going to have 9y minus, and here we're going to have this, but divide this, we're going to have minus 1, then equals 0. So now from here we have 0 from equation, right? Y minus 9 is either equals 0, y minus 9 either to be 0, or 9y, right, minus 1 to be 0. So now from here we transpose this minus 9 to the right hand side. It's going to be y equals plus 9, and that is same thing as 9, right? And here we have 9y, we transpose this to the right hand side, it's going to turn to positive 1. Then we divide both sides by 9. So here this implies that y equals 1 over 9, right? But don't forget that we are not actually looking for the value of y. So the value we are looking for is the value of x. From here, let's recall that we let y to be 3 to the power of x, and since y is 9 over there, we have 9 equals 3 to the power of x. This implies that 9 is 3 to the power of 2, which is equals 3 to the power of x. So now, since we are having the same basis, right, so we can deduce that x is equals 2 here. right? So we have one solution, x equals 2, right? So now when x or when y is 1 over 9, and you know that 1 over 9 can be written as 9 to the power of minus 1, which is saying now 3 to the power of minus 2. So that is from the law of indices. So now we're going to see now that y equals 3 to the power of x, and we are having y to be this. So put it here, 3 to the power of minus 2 equals 3 to the power of x. So since we are having the same basis, so we can deduce that x equals minus 2. So we have another solution. So now the possible solution of this x, they are x equals 2 and what? And minus 2. And that is the end of the class. If you're enjoying the class, don't forget to share to your colleagues. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe today. Right? Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.